Hi, I'm Ashley and welcome to Consonant Blends. In this video, you'll learn that when two consonants are read together, they make a blend. If you haven't learned consonant sounds yet, be sure you go back and watch those videos first. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! When two or more consonants are put together and they keep their sounds, we call those blends. Blends can be found at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end. Today we're going to learn the blends SK, SC, SP, and ST. Let's take a look at each of these. Can you figure out the sounds these consonants make when blended together? What sound do you think SK makes? Did you say sk? Great job! SK says sk, like in skate, or basket, and ask. What about SC? What do you think that says? Did you say sk? If so, you're right. SC also says sk, like in school, scoop, and scale. How about SP? What sound do you think it makes? Sp. Great job. SP says sp, like space, speak, spell. How about ST? What do you think it says? Did you say st? If so, that's correct. Like the words stop, start, and stand. Great job! You just learned the consonant blends SK, SC, SP, and ST. Can you think of any more words with these blends? Ask a parent to help you list them in a chart, just like we did. Then use your words to practice reading and spelling your new blends. And as always, practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!